Let's take a look at day 4's writing. I'm going to start with a video. It's one I've shown you before, but it will help you with the next task. It's all about recognizing statements, questions, exclamations, and commands.
This is my birthday cake. Can I have some cake? What a lovely cake you have, Kim. Take a piece.
Now that you've seen that, I'd like for you to read the sentences here. Are they questions? Which put a tick or a cross. This is a lion. Where is my teddy? Where are you going? What time is it? I like ice cream. It is 6 o'clock. So take a look at those. If they are sentences, give them a tick. Not if they're sentences, sorry. If they are questions, give them a tick. If they're not questions, just leave them or put a cross in there. Pause the video and I'll show you the answers in a second. The questions were here. Where is my teddy? That's asking information about the teddy. The boy looks quite upset there. Where are you going? And then what time is it? The clue, of course, were the question marks at the end, but it's always worth double checking and reading carefully as well. Let's move on. Now I'd like for you to write 3 questions for the skeletons. Remember to put question marks at the end of them. So what might they be asking each other there? One that I thought of was maybe, would you like to have some fun? You can use that question to help you, but you need to come up with 3 questions. If you've got room for more and you want to do more, that's fine, for the skeletons. Pause the video while you have a go at that, and then I will show you the next part of the lesson. Okay, tomorrow you're going to write a newspaper report to tell people about what the skeletons did. Today, you're going to think of some ideas for your newspaper report. Yesterday we examined a report to see what it should look like, and today is the day for ideas. You have this in your packs, and I've got the features that we coloured in down the side here, the original report, the one we looked at yesterday, and then some space here for your report, some ideas, and there's this page and that page as well. So I'll take you through some examples. It would be useful, hopefully, to see them, but I don't want you to just copy exactly what I have written. So my headline, it was strange creature spotted. Well, I didn't want to use that because actually there were 3, weren't there? There wasn't just one creature. And I've gone for spooky skeletons seen scaring. Some alliteration in there as well, which headlines sometimes have. So I want you to think, if you had just maybe 4 words, 3 or 4 words to explain the story, what would you do? When you're ready to do the next part, just play the video again. Who did something? Well, they had a strange creature. I've gone with 3 cheeky skeletons. Where and when it happened. In the story we looked at yesterday in the report, it was in the woods early on Sunday morning. For my report, I've got all around town, including the park and the zoo. That's going to help me remember the different places I could write about in my newspaper report. What they did, well, there were a few things that they did. They didn't get seen by 4 woodland animals and they didn't stomp through the forest, but they hid and scared each other, and they made a mess in people's gardens. If we look at the next part. Some quotes. So quotes are where the reporters ask people about what they saw or what they think, and they're telling the people reading the newspaper. I went with a worried resident, that's somebody who lives somewhere, said, comma, speech marks, I didn't know what all the commotion could be. Commotion is another word for fuss and noise. And then finally, what readers should do. It said visitors to the woods should take care. If you see him, phone 999. Well, I changed that for the skeletons and I put local residents should keep an eye out at night. If you see them, phone the police. Have a go at the different sections now then, and those ideas will help you tomorrow. You don't have to use full sentences, but you could. Tomorrow we're going to write it all out properly. Good luck with your ideas. Remember, just ask the person who's helping you if you need any help, and you've got my examples here. as well. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.